Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is Sage Therapeutics. So, Sage had some information, press release this morning before the market opened. You can see the reaction. There's that kind of pinky area. And it's funny because when you look at the press release, it said they met their primary endpoint. That was what the headline. And you had to really kind of dive into the release, though, to see that there was a secondary endpoint, I guess, that was not met. And so that is what caused, all of the concern. This got all the way down to $56, okay? I mean, this is where it closed yesterday, 72. It got all the way down to $56. It rebounded well. And in fact, I was thinking, man, is this going to actually get positive again? But the reason why this is the stock of the day is because the AI picked up on this. Our AI, you can see right here, took the short at $64, still sitting at 63 or $60. It may not be over yet. It depends how much. See if it can hold this 60 level. If not, I mean, it could keep falling down. So great alert from the AI, $64. And right now it's $60 and kind of holding. So I'm kind of waiting to see if it can break through 60 because, the pre-market low was way down here at 56. Now I'm going to put this other ticker in here. It is Hertz, believe it or not, HTZGQ. HTZGQ. I hate this one, GQ. There we go. Okay. Now, why am I doing this? First of all, this is Hertz. They went OTC, basically bankrupt. I guess they were able to raise some money. Maybe emerging, maybe emerging. Look at the month. Oops. Sorry, guys. Boy, with this new, just a minute. Yeah, that's what I thought was going to happen. Sorry, guys, I'm talking to myself. I know we got this container in this new build, and it just kind of screwed me up here. Just want to show you the monthly chart here. And look at this monthly chart. Look at the weekly chart. And again, these are features in this new build. There's what I really wanted to show. Look at the weekly chart. Until last week, we had a 3-bar pullback, and now this looks like it wants to rip here a bit. Now, again, I'm not recommending you take this trade, but it is kind of interesting. I don't typically look at pink sheet stocks, but you might want to take a look at this one. There's obviously no resistance because this is where it started off as a pink sheet stock at 80 cents. All right, guys, that's it. I want to get back into the trading room, so bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.